In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page on Google Analytics. Whether you're managing a website or just curious about your site traffic, Google Analytics is an invaluable tool that helps you gain insights into your audience's behavior. We'll go through the steps needed to add a page, making the process straightforward and simple for anyone to follow, regardless of technical expertise. First off, let's navigate to Google Analytics on your web browser. You can do this by visiting the Analytics Tools and Solutions page by Google. If you're new to this, don't worry, just follow along. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Google Analytics website. Once you're on the Google Analytics homepage, you'll need to sign in. If you haven't logged in yet, look for the sign in button usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button and enter your Google account credentials. Keep in mind that having access to Google Analytics requires a Google account, so make sure you're signed into the right one that has administrative rights to your desired project. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Google Analytics homepage. This is where you see an overview of all your projects. Here, take a moment to explore the different data sets available right on your dashboard, which gives you insight into your site's performance. But for now, focus on the task at hand. On the left-hand sidebar of the Google Analytics dashboard, you'll see various options. Search for the Reports tab and click on it. This step is crucial as it takes you into the main reporting section where you have access to detailed data and analytics. The Reports tab is your gateway to understanding how your audience interacts with your site. Once you're in the Reports section, the next step is to click on the Engagement option. Engagement metrics help you understand user interactions within your content, offering metrics that can be improved to increase overall participation and retention. Now, under the Engagement section, go ahead and click on Pages and Screens. This is where you'll find specifics related to every page on your site. Here you can review metrics like page views, average time spent on each page, and more. Take a moment to explore this section as it offers comprehensive data about user interactions with each page of your site. Congratulations, you have successfully navigated to the correct area in Google Analytics to view and analyze pages on your site. By regularly visiting the Pages and Screens section, you can gain valuable insights into what content is performing well and where improvements may be needed. Remember, Google Analytics is a powerful tool, and the more you explore its features, the more valuable insights you'll gain for optimizing your web presence.